what I got! NikkieTutorials! Hey guys, it's me, Nikkie! Oh, it's embossed and so sparkly. Definitely keeping this box. It's so bulky. It's nice. Happy side, dark side. Oh man. Oh. This is so pretty. Isn't it so pretty and huge pens? Oh man. I don't want to touch them. Just want to like keep them. So happy. I got it. Gonna love this so much. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my first reaction of opening NikkieTutorials and BeautyBay Palette. Today I received it in the mail. It was like every single day I was checking, is it here yet, is it here yet? And I bought it luckily in the first time she released it, when she was including these pop sockets for the first few hundred purchases, and I was thankfully on the wait list. Early list as well, so I clicked on it and purchased it even before it opened for the general waitlisters. And so yeah, I was so happy, so excited. It came really gorgeous. The palettes, I will go into details. So I created this look with this palette and I absolutely love it. You want to see how I created this look and also see how I keep losing my mind over and over and over with every shade? Please keep watching. It's just this like super pretty embossed, if you can see, excuse the ring light, but it's just this glittery, beautiful gorgeousness, and then all these words that, you know, it's just Nikkie. I love it. Okay, and then you open it up and it has this card which explains how best to use the shadows for each of the colors. The fingernail means it's best applied with your finger, and a brush means, you know, you can also use a brush. And so yeah, it says, hello guys, it's me, Nikkie. Hello. Oh my gosh, I love it. Disclaimer, in this video I will seem way more giddy and loopy than usual, just because I absolutely love NikkieTutorials and this palette is to die for. It's got the happy side, the light side, and it's just all happy balloons and, you know, happy balloons and rainbows, and the dark side, and it's just really gorgeous art. You'll have to like get one and feel it yourself to like really see the quality. And so over here it's all like glossy and embossed with the glittery finish that is also on the packaging. And then there's like an owl, you know, howling at the moon, and there's crows, and then there's like, yeah, all sorts of like, there's a key, and I love this one, makeup shamers, and there's, you know, a zombie hand. I love sci-fi and everything too, so this is, it's just like right up my alley. I love this. And then of course all these words in the back. So this will be the first time I'll be using it. Let's look inside. So there's this mirror here, I am me, and this is the light side, these pretty colors and pops of colors. I just love it. And then over here is the other side, and it says you are you, and it's these other gorgeous colors. So I love them so much. For today I already did my foundation and my eyebrows and eye primer, just like usual. If you'd like to see the detailed steps, feel free to watch my first video. I'm going to do more of a pinky red look today. Very excited. I'm gonna create even more looks in the future, but for today I'm gonna start out with basic trit for my transition shade and kind of set my eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it's nice. Apply it on the transition area. Oh man. So the color is just like it seems in the pan. Sometimes eyeshadows, you know, you see one color, you get another color. It's like, what happened? It doesn't do that. The basic Trit shade is exactly as it shows in the pan, a great transition shade. And I'm still going in with the same brush, and I'm going to go into Zoomer in the bottom here. It's a little bit of pinker. Oh, so it's got a little bit of a kickback, but it's to be expected. I don't mind that at all. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go in and do an actual transition. Oh, it's so pretty. Can't believe I'm putting the palette on my face. Okay. Wow, it's blending really well. It doesn't snag or tag or anything. Like, I mean, we've all seen it on Nikkie, like how, you know, it performs so well, but it's so good. So yeah, you take the color and tap off the excess and just blend away. And now I'm gonna go with an even pinkier shade this time, and it's going to be Blend and Snap. So second color here. Okay, and I'm using it with my Alamar Cosmetics Trio Ohidos Trio 2 brush, this little one. Okay, and then this will be laid down a little bit lower than Zoomer. Oh man, it's so pink and it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And there's still pigment. I've been blending. I only did one tap. Oh my gosh. Kind of am losing my mind. Okay. Oh wow. Just going into the socket area and a little bit lower than Zoomer shade. So this is my second pink shade. Oh my, it's so pretty. I want to go into Mikai, which is this red shade. And it's such a gorgeous true red. I'm gonna use this Luxie 231 small taper blending brush for this. And like I did for Blend and Snap, I'm gonna take it like this. Tap off the excess. Oh, so pretty. And then go even a little bit lower than Blend and Snap shade. Oh, it's so red. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. What the? And it blends so beautifully for how vibrant it is. Like, there's no patchiness or like snagging or nothing. Whew. Gonna go into the other eye. And now I'm going to take Pride, this gorgeous shade of pink, and I think it's duochrome as well. And I think Nikki said that this is one of her favorite colors, and I'm just, oh my gosh, I can't bear to touch it. Feels so good. It's so soft. I can't believe it didn't crack on the way from England. Okay, now I'm gonna go in. It is so bright. Can you see? This video should be called How Khine Lost Her Mind. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. You see how bright it is? And it's so soft. Oh my gosh. It just looks wet. What? How? And beautiful and pink and oh my gosh. I don't even have to wet it. I don't even have to wet the shadow, which from my previous videos you've seen that I always do when I have to have a better color payoff, and this I don't feel the need to do that at all. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Okay. And now I'm gonna deepen my crease area using my Wayne Gauze 19 brush. I'll link everything down below, and these are my staples, so it's in my first video as well. And for deepening the crease, keeping with the red-pink kind of theme, I think this purple slasher will make sense. And I love that, like, the names. Oh, it's got quite a bit of kickoff, so don't worry, just tap it off. And are about, you know, Nikki and who she is and like what she likes. So she loves slasher films. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's just laying down without taking any of the other colors off. I'm just gonna go over. Oh my. Even the shimmer shade is not coming off. Like, I don't think I have to go back in. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay, now in a corner, I'm gonna take my ring finger and go into Ivy, this ice cold, just gorgeous shade. Just in a corner. Oh man, that is the perfect icy inner corner. You see how it brightened up? Oh man. Wow. Oh wow. Okay. Hoo-wee. Now I'm gonna clean up under, because I took a little bit too far down. So just like that from the eyeline with the sponge, which had my leftover foundation in it, and just tap tap tap. I am just beyond blown away. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner and the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back for my final thoughts. I came back on camera to show you what I'm using for my highlight today. It's only fitting that I use my Ofra and NikkieTutorials palette highlighter Everglow. How much pen I've hit you can see. I will be highlighting it using just these two colors here. And I will be right back. So I did the rest of my face, my eyeliner and contour, blush, and of course use NikkieTutorials and Ofra highlight. and did a pink lip, ombre lip as well, to kind of keep with the pink theme. I'll leave all the products I used down below. So the final thoughts. For the quality, the packaging, and it being created by Nikkie, and the color story and everything being so gorgeous, and it's only $30 for something that could cost twice, if not 3 times easily. It's such a steal. So I highly recommend, if you are a makeup lover like me or eyeshadow lover, like, run and get it. I think it's still available as of the day I'm filming it. $30, and if you don't reach the $50 minimum on BeautyBay.com, you'll have to pay $5 or $6 for shipping, but still it makes this all worth it. But if you want to get more and get free shipping, you know, up to you. And what Nikkie said is, once it runs out, it will not come back ever. So I would say run, don't walk, and get the palette. I absolutely adore it. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. I am Khine, and this is my channel, KhineTime, and my content will be on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, chats, and just general hanging out. So if you liked my video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Oh man. Breathe, Khine, breathe. Like, what happened? Okay. And now, be still my heart. Yeah. Breathe. Remember to breathe. Okay.